Hello, my dear students. I welcome you again to our virtual class. Today, I have come up with the topic report writing again because I have noticed that most of you are confused with report writing. Okay, you are still confused. So, this video lesson will be a revision for report writing. I hope it will help you. So, let's get started. Basically, report can be written in two ways, okay? The first one is your newspaper report, or we can say report written for newspaper. And the second one is your school magazine report, that is report written for school magazines, okay? Now, first thing first, let us first cover up with newspaper report, and we will come in the next video lesson with the report for school magazine. So let us see, why do we write a newspaper? What is a newspaper report? Newspaper report is real life incident, event, program or development, etc. So this newspaper report are real life incident. These are not something that you can write on your own, okay? It has to be real fact. Number 2 describes what happened and where, when, and who were involved, what were the consequences. So here consequences mean what were the result, okay? And here, number 3, include eyewitnesses' account and reaction in first person. That means those people who were involved or who were there at the time of the incident, okay? When the incident took place, the people nearby who have seen it with their eyes. So this will include accounts and reactions of those persons who were nearby the incident place. And it should be written in first person, that is I, okay? I hope this is clear. So for example, this eyewitness account would be like, for example, I'm just giving an example, okay? I was standing nearby the shop when I heard a loud sound in this way, okay? So these are the witnesses given by the persons who were present at the time of the incident, when the incident took place. Now here are some guidelines which you must remember when you write a report. Written in short paragraphs or in columns. Now here, report cannot be written, all the incident details cannot be mentioned in one paragraph, okay? These reports are written in small short paragraphs. And it is factual and informative. Factual means only fact, okay? Only fact, the fact of what happened. You cannot write anything on your own, your opinions, your views, you cannot write it, okay? You should write only what happened. And also it should be informative, like the reader should be informed about the incident. Number C, quotation of witnesses and who are part of incident or event, like I have explained to you. But D, it is written in third person. So here, don't get confused. The witnesses' accounts are written in first person, but the overall report has to be written in third person. That is he, she, okay, or they, or we can say Mr. Kumar. These are third person. And number E, newspapers report are written in past tense. You cannot write this in the present tense, but because see, this incident has taken place already, right? So it is past. So even the report has to be in the past tense. Now let us see the format of writing a newspaper report. Remember, we are doing first with newspaper, okay? So the format which I'm giving you is also for newspaper report. So the first thing that comes in a newspaper report is the name of the newspaper. The name, see, we have many local dailies or like national dailies, local dailies like Nagaland Post, Eastern Mirror, and like national dailies like the Telegraph, the Times of India, okay? So the name of the newspaper should be written in the first, that is in the center of your report, okay, on the top. Next, it is followed by the headline. Now, headline means the topic, okay, of what your report is, the headline. And after the headline, okay, let's see, coming to number 1, you will have to leave one line each, okay, when you write this, when you follow this format. Name of the newspaper, leave one line and come to the next one, that is the heading, and leave one line and come to number 3, that is byline. So what is a byline? The name of the writer, the person who has written the report. So newspapers are usually written by journalists, right? Yes or no? So here it should be the name of the writer should be mentioned. Number 4, leave one line. Number 4, here, this is the most important part. Here you cannot misplace the settings, okay? You cannot write month first, date first, and last place first. No, you will lose mark. So you have to follow exactly as it is given the format. First, you will write place, for example, Dimapur, comma, month, that is June, comma, date. So for example, date like 7th June, okay, 7th June 2021. Are you getting me? So after writing the date line, you will give a colon, 2 dot. Can you see? I think you can see the 2 dot. Yes, colon. And then only in the same line, after giving the colon, you will start the lead paragraph. Understood? You will not leave one line, but lead paragraph has to be written in the same line with the date. And on the 5th one, here comes the body paragraph. So after a lead paragraph, leave one line and start with the body paragraph. And number 6 is your last paragraph, that is the conclusion. So this format will be explained to you in detail in the next video, where I have presented you a sample of newspaper report, okay? So please listen to it carefully and notice and notice how I have written the report, comparing your format. Okay.